Hello everyone, welcome to Philiandkids, where we make learning really fun. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please try and do so. If you're stopping by for the first time, thank you very much. Today, I'll be teaching you about wild animal and domestic animal. Wild animals and domestic animals. Wild animals are those animals that live in the bush. They are very dangerous. Don't go close to them. While domestic animals are those animals that live around our homes. They are usually very friendly and likable. We even have them as pets at home. Now, I'll be telling you and I'll be showing you examples of domestic animal. Are you ready? Ready? So let's go! Domestic animals examples are turtle, parrot, guinea pig, hamster, pigeon, goose, duck, penguin, hen, cock, guinea fowl, turkey, ostrich, horse, dog, goat, ram, donkey, camel, sheep, cat. Now we move over to the wild animals. Examples of wild animals are chimpanzee, gorilla, baboon, leopard, jaguar, lion, tiger, cheetah, hippopotamus, gorilla, crocodile, kangaroo, fox, antelope, giraffe, wolf, bear, hyena. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Philiandkids Tv, where we make learning really fun. With me here is
Monsieur Oni.
Bonjour Monsieur Oni.
Oui, bonjour Madame Philian.
Comment ça va?
Ça va très bien, merci. Et vous?
You see, I was able to learn French just 1 week with Monsieur Oni. Now, if you want to learn French within 1 week to 2 weeks, please subscribe to his Zoom classes. He does virtual classes and physical classes for those around Port Harcourt. So please follow him and get the best French lesson ever. I hope you enjoy learning about the wild animals and domestic animals. Remember, domestic animals are animals that live around our homes, while wild animals live in the bush. They are very dangerous. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time on Philiandkids TV. Bye-bye.